seal it. You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm when you hold me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a shop with me. I am going to take you guys to a lot of like home decor stores so we can get some new fall decorations, lots of fall vibes. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you've been having a great week so far. I'm gonna have that boo basket giveaway in my next video, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I am gonna roll right in. Good morning, guys. I thought I'd do a little voiceover. I haven't done one in so long, but I just wanted to kind of get ready with you and share with you guys some of the products that I've been using on a regular. And I've been doing like a really soft, minimal makeup. And of course, it's raining here in Calgary, so I feel like fall days are upon us. And I'm going in just with a lip oil right now. And also, I've been obsessed with the Glow Recipe. Their new serum is amazing. It's a lot thicker and it's got retinol in it, so I really enjoy it. And I'm going in with my pink chrome brush to put my foundation on, and I'm still using the Makeup by Mario, but if there's a foundation that you guys have been in love with, then let me know in the comments. But it does spread really easily. It's medium to full coverage. And concealer, I have not found one that I've like loved, so please let me know if there's one you like. I definitely need to do some makeup shopping soon. It's my birthday next month, so I will be going to Sephora and also going in with the Cloud Powder and also Patrick Ta. I love his bronzers. It comes with like a cream and a powder, and I use both, but they just make me look so tanned and I love it. Rare Beauty blush, it's been my favorite. It's really illuminizing and just very natural. And I think this is called Half Baked or Half Caked, but I got this mascara in my Ipsy bag and I've been in love with it. And then I'm going in just with a little bit of a lip liner and a lip oil on top again. It's just very simple, very easy, and I've just been really loving this kind of look. In with my pink dual brushes. If you guys haven't seen these, I have a discount code for Steph20 in my store. I thought I would stop off at Michael's first. I know it's kind of expensive here, but they do have really cute things, and a lot of stuff was 40 to 60% off. I ended up getting these pumpkins right here. They were so festive and kind of that cool toned blue, and they had so many skeleton things, and I got really excited because I've been really into skeleton and like boo season. I also didn't get to film it, but they did have a huge Harry Potter area if you guys were interested. I love this white section. You guys know I love white with pink, and they had lots of glitter and fun stuff here and candle holders. Bathtubs have been really trending. I keep seeing them. Also this pink ribbon bow sweater, so cute. Lots of pillows, festive pillows and blankets that I saw today. This is at Winners, and also this boo rug I loved. It's so cute. Also a lamp and just really random things that I found but probably didn't need. Nothing like a midday coffee, and I haven't been really into the pumpkin spice and everything like that. I definitely am a pretty basic girl when it comes to coffee. I just do a little bit of milk, but I wanted to take you guys into Home Sense, and this is what we have here in Canada. I know it's usually Home Goods in the States, but it's basically the same thing, but you guys definitely get better stuff. I got this little ghosty. I thought the girls would really like it. I saw this boo sign. I thought this was fun, and of course, so many ghosts. Like, it definitely is trending right now. I've noticed they are everywhere, and skeletons and florals, just really pretty. And yeah, there wasn't a crazy amount that I found. I did find this vase, which I love. It's been kind of something I've been wanting to get with a bow, so I'm going to put that in my closet. Also these candles, Sand and Fog is probably one of my favorite. They also had this coffee one, which was pretty neat, and Sweet Apple. I had to go with this one. Look at the top. It's so pretty. And also this Bless candle. I found lots of like organizers. This is kind of my one-step shop to get organizers, makeup related, and also brushes. Pumpkin spice, I'm going so quickly here, but pumpkin spice, I had to get this just for my coffee at home. And then also this lash box I thought was really cute for the girls or me. I thought it was adorable. Pumpkin spice mugs are obviously in season. There's lots here, and I already have so many, that's why I didn't pick any up. Like, I have a lot of the Hello Pumpkin ones, but they had a lot of variety. I don't know about you guys, but I have way too many mugs, and I just can't bring another home right now. I was on the hunt for some bowls. I didn't end up going with these, but I did think they were really cute. Again, I'm just waiting for one that I really fall in love with. And over here, I love hand soaps. I always get our hand soaps from Home Sense or Winners. They have the best selection and the cutest labels. I really did want to go with this one for the girls, but I already just got one, but the design was just so cute. And of course, I have to go in the kids section. This is where I get all me and Sophia's stuff. They had these lamps too, because so many of you guys were asking me about this, and I do have the pink feather one, and I had to get this bow tray. This was just so pretty, and it was 30 bucks, so I thought it was a great deal. Got this pumpkin. You guys know I also love my neutrals, and that was basically it. They had lots of Hello Kitty stuff here too, and I didn't pick anything up because you guys saw my last haul. I got the girls those plates, but they did have really cute stuff. And again, it's like Sephora, but like when you're waiting in line, I just end up looking at so many things and putting stuff in my cart, but I really resisted. And of course, the last thing I had to do was some grocery shopping, and I thought I would share with you guys what I got. Wanted to quickly show you guys what I hauled. I know sometimes people get interested in seeing grocery hauls. I know I do, so I wanted to quickly show you. I also poured my Starbucks into a cute mug just because I didn't finish it. First thing I got here was sourdough bread. All we've been eating for bread, and usually this just goes in the girls' lunches or a toast in the morning. I got some hot dogs. I got hot salsa. This one's my favorite right here. And tortellini, eggs, apple, what is this? Applewood cheese, and then carrots. I like to do like stir fries. Right here, I also got some asparagus. I think I'm gonna make that tonight. Some green onions, celery, Greek yogurt. This is my favorite. I also got strawberry milk. This is nice to add into my coffees. So cute and aesthetic when I do my videos and stuff too. Celery, apples. These are the girls' favorite yogurts, the nano ones. I got some tomatoes, yogurt, strawberry, Quaker bars, and vanilla and strawberry. I got peppers. We've got apples. Greenies for Maxie. These are his favorite. And then I got these for the girls in the morning. So we got peach, and then I think their favorite is this one, which is the strawberry banana. I already took out this, you guys. I am obsessed. I'm so happy. I feel like this looks so good together because it has bows. But this tray, I went with the larger one, and then I did have to get this. They had a bunch of them. I might go back and get another one once I figure out where this one's going, but I'm thinking the kitchen. I think this would look awesome in the kitchen. Like some of the pampas grass in there or something else even, but it's so cute. For lunch, I have my big water. I usually put some ice in it and have like a little ice water. My classic salad right here. I know it looks big, but honestly, I finished this so quickly. This is by far the best salad mix. It has so many yummy like seeds and nuts in it, and I love it, even cranberries. So right here, I have a chicken salad. I put broccoli, cucumber, radish, which it's like so in season right now. It's so good. And then a little bit of cottage cheese and pickles. You guys know I love pickles. Eat this and then also show you guys what I just got. So how cute is this reusable bag? This has to be the cutest one. And I don't know if you're like me, but I always forget my bag. So I end up just buying new ones, but we have like a million now. But this one I'm definitely gonna take with me. It's the cutest one I've seen so far. Here's that basket that I got at home since I have to put this in the girls' room. They needed a bigger one because their little basket's tiny. And now as they're getting bigger, their clothes are getting bigger. So it just made more sense. Okay, I wanted to quickly show you guys. I'm just filming with my phone right now because my camera is charging. Just did a really cute little setup in my kitchen for a reel. And I put on this long sweater dress that I have. I think it's really cute. And it's from Temu, so I will link it. It just looks so festive and so pretty right now. I had to quickly share it with you guys. It's some candles. I have my little coffee drawer right here. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It's my favorite. I have like all my pods. Moving this guy around, but this is that skull that I got from HomeSense. I love it. It's so festive. And over here, I'm just getting the fall vibes going, but I was doing some like product-y shots. So I have my Chanel bag. I've got some fragrance right there and some Decor. My new tray, which I love, you guys. This was 30 bucks. I think it's so nice. It looks very rustic and vintage and I love it. I have the pumpkin spice that I got. These pumps are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. My Paris Hilton coffee press, which I love having that out. And then this is that new candle that I just hauled today, which smells so good. You'd be surprised how little I actually enjoy my coffees because I end up filming for over an hour and it gets cold. But I still am gonna drink it. But yeah, this is also one of my favorite little coffee mugs. Always posting. So this I actually got from Shein and I got two sets. So I got the pink set and then the white set and then I just blended it, which I think looks really cute. You gotta get both sets. I'm gonna start off with winners, just the stuff that I picked up. Cute stuff for the girls, you guys. Look at this. So the girls have picture day on Monday, but look how cute. Got a little skirt and sweater. I always dress them the same, and they definitely are into their own things now, so I'm gonna fight over this one. They really love blue right now. I know they'll like the pink sweater, but the gray we'll see. But I just thought it was really cute, and it also comes with like a little headband. Got them 2 lunch cases because they don't actually have lunch cases, they just have like containers. Wanted them to put it into a bag, so it's gonna go into their backpack, and I just got 2 different ones. So the other stuff I picked up was from Michael's, and the first thing I got, which these were kind of expensive, but I was looking for something like this. So the new vase that I got, this one here from HomeSense the other day, I thought this would be perfect. I'm gonna try to put these inside because I feel like, yes, this is so cute. I would wait till stuff goes on sale because I feel like some stuff there is overpriced. But that is really cute, and I like how it has like the little fall leaves coming out of it. The other thing I picked up, which I'm really excited about, you guys saw, pink pumpkins. I finally found some pink pumpkins, which they are not easy to find. I was almost gonna paint my own. I think we're 40% off. And then little boo plates that I got with ghosts. I thought they'd be really cute for when they have their friends over. To move the candle here. There we go. Just gonna take everything out. They're gonna be really excited for these, and these were the last 2. Are really into like sippy cups. Spooky with like the florals have been really popular, but cute. They have like little ghosts on them. There's a little ghost up there, so I'm gonna wash these after. I think they light up. Oh my gosh. They are going to love these. These little ghost socks. Looks so good with the florals. I'm so happy I got it. I actually found a vase on Temu that's quite similar. It's not the same, but it's very, very similar. So I will leave a link down below. And I will also link everything similar to the things I found, because I know shopping at HomeSense in Winners, it's hard to find. But Michael's, I mean, they definitely have all this stuff that you can find, the pink pumpkins. But anything else, I will definitely leave my links down below. I started using ShopMy, so it's a quick shopping app that kind of works like to know it, and they have all my links there, so it's really simple and easy. So all you have to do is click in my description, shop all my things. It's super easy just to link everything for you. So I got this comment the other day, and it's really funny when people make these comments because, again, it's kind of why people are watching my channel. I've always had a pink, authentic, girly style. I want to say just represent and embrace whatever it is that you guys enjoy. If it's a color or if it's a certain activity or whatever it is that you enjoy, just enjoy it and just stick, you know, you don't have to be embarrassed about anything like that. So I just wanted to say that. I thought I would mention too that we have a buy one, get one free in the store, you guys, with the mini backpacks. This one is the perfect fall brown, and you get a free bag. You guys can see the color here. It's super fall. This is actually like my mom's favorite color. She always rocks this bag color, but really popular. Like, this is the absolute perfect fall color, and I feel like it goes with so many neutral, big cozy sweaters for fall and autumn.
But it's not too tight. You can lay your wrist down.
It's beautiful. Do you like it, Mimi?
So here comes with a daddy.
Like that, it was not sustainable. But I really need to talk to him because I hate how we left things.
Maybe you just skip the talk and hit him up with the...
I want to add this in at the end of today's video. So it's the girls' 6th birthday party video that I had made. So it's by my videographer, and I'm just so happy with how it turned out. I think something I've done in the years, we've always done it before our guests have arrived, but it was nice to actually see it live during their party, seeing the kids' excitement, seeing the girls' excitement. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoy it.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. That I see but you. It's what you do.
Alright, I'm gonna leave the video off here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. It was fun doing some shopping through the week and just going with you, getting a coffee and sharing what I found. It hasn't been an overly crazy amount of pink in things, like girly things that I found, but I feel like I have to go throughout the week and then I can find stuff here and there. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If there's anything else you want to see, because I'm going to try to get back to a new schedule, and that schedule is going to be Wednesday and Saturdays for uploads, since I asked you guys on my Glam Squad on Instagram and a lot of you guys set those dates. So I'm really excited to just get back into fall content like I said before. And of course, thank you guys for all the love, the support, and I will see you guys in my next video.